Hey, future millionaires. Yes, you, the one hungry enough to click this video, ready to destroy every financial excuse holding your life hostage? Because today, we're not learning a savings rule. We are weaponizing a savings rule. The 40-30-30 rule isn't just numbers. It's an aggressive blueprint for wealth domination in America. If you're tired of scraping by, if you're sick of watching life get more expensive while your wallet gets weaker, if you're done being broke while billionaires get richer every minute, then repeat after me. I control my money does not control me. This script, this message, this mission is for you, not for the lazy, not for the excuse makers, not for the people who settle for average. It's for the ones who choose to win. You want the American dream? Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for chances. Don't wait for luck. You take it. What is the 40-30-30 rule? Let's break the numbers down like a financial beast. 40% needs rent, groceries, transportation, utilities, basic survival costs, not luxuries, not treat yourself. These are the essentials. You survive smartly. 30% investing in savings. This is where you become unstoppable. Stocks, ETFs, crypto, responsibly. High yield savings, business startup fund, retirement accounts, 401k, 401k, Roth IRA. This is your wealth machine, your break the chains money, your I will never be poor again money. 30% wants and lifestyle, restaurants, vacations, fashion, gaming, entertainment, upgrades, fun but fun with control, fun that doesn't drown you in debt, fun that doesn't sabotage freedom. This rule isn't soft. This rule isn't comfortable. This rule isn't for average people. It's for you, the future millionaire who refuses poverty as destiny. You want freedom? Earn it. Budget for it. Live for it. Why this rule is a game changer for America. Let's get real. The United States is the land of opportunity, but also the land of temptation. We get targeted by ads, influencers, tech companies, credit card traps. Everyone wants your money. Everyone wants you to stay broke. Everyone wants you to spend more than you earn. Why? Because a financially weak society is easy to control. But you are not weak. You're learning how to own your money before the world owns you. The 40-30-30 rule flips the script. Instead of spending first and saving later, you invest first. You build wealth first. You secure your future first. Then you enjoy life without guilt, without debt, without panic. How did you get here? Why most 18 to 30 Americans stay broke? Let's expose the truth. Schools teach you algebra, but not taxes, not investing, not credit. Social media teaches flex culture. Look rich even if you're poor. Buy luxury even with loans. Appearance over actual wealth. Banks push credit cards on teens like candy. Live now, pay forever. Friends normalize being broke. It's fine, everyone is in debt. No, not you. You're not everyone. You are different. You are dangerous because you are becoming financially educated. And financial education, that's power that terrifies the system. Let's talk reality. If you are 20 years old, you invest $300 per month average growth, 10% S&P 500 history, at age 60, $1.9 million. From just $10 a day, $10. That is the power of investing young. That is the power of the 30% wealth bucket. Most people won't do it. They'll laugh at budgeting. They'll mock discipline. They'll say, live a little? Sure, live a little, but invest a lot. Because when they are 50 and still paycheck to paycheck, you'll be 50 and free. You'll be 50 and wealthy. You'll be 50 and untouchable. The mindset shift. Wage war against waste. Let's be brutally honest. Half the stuff we buy, we don't even want a month later. Clothes we never wear. Subscriptions we forgot. Gadgets that collect dust. The world screams, buy more. Upgrade now. The new model is out. Stop. Ask one powerful question. Does this purchase make my future richer or poor? If the answer is poorer, cut it, kill it, crush the temptation. You are not living for impulse. You are living for empire. Future millionaire. Mantra. Say it out loud. I value growth over gratification. I invest before I indulge. I am building generational wealth. I will be the first to break the cycle. I control every dollar. Every dollar makes me stronger. You didn't come here to survive. You came here to dominate. But wait, why not the 50-30-20 rule? Let's hit the comparison early, because this is where champions choose their strategy. 50-30-20 rule, 50% needs. 30% wants, 20% savings and investment. This rule is good, safe, basic, easy. But good is not good enough for you, because 20% is not enough to create wealth quickly in America. Inflation is rising, rent is rising, college debt is rising, medical costs are rising, but incomes barely moving. If you only invest 20%, you might have stability, but stability is not freedom. Stability is not wealth. Stability is not the American dream. You deserve more than safe. You deserve success. 40-30-30 says double your investing power, double your financial future, double your chance to become a millionaire young. You're not playing for comfort, you're playing to win. 40-30-30 is not easy. Good. If budgeting feels comfortable, you're not budgeting hard enough. Growth happens outside comfort. Think about athletes. They don't train to feel good. They train to dominate the game. That's you, with money. This rule forces you to spend with purpose, track every dollar, crush wasteful habits, face the truth of your finances, become financially dangerous. Comfort is what keeps people broke. Discomfort is what builds millionaires. It's time to think like a boss. You are not just budgeting, you are practicing self-control, strategic decision-making, delayed gratification, asset building, life mastery. Most 20-year-olds spend like they're rich and end up poor. You will spend like you're building wealth and end up rich. Turn your paycheck into a weapon. Let's use an example. Say you make $3,000 per month, take home. 40% needs equals $1,200, rent plus food, plus transport, plus bills, not designer shoes, not Tesla payments. 30% investments and savings equals $900, S&P 500 plus IRA, plus high-yield savings, plus starting a business. 30% wants equals $900, life, fun, dates, movies, travel, guilt-free. You're not starving yourself. You're strategic. That's how future millionaires live. You are not broke. You are early. Don't let anyone shame you for starting small. $5 invested is better than $500 wasted. $20 saved is better than $200 flexed. $50 budgeted is better than $500 bragged. You are not behind. You are ahead of everyone who refuses to try. You are a financial wolf, not a sheep. Sheep follow the crowd. Sheep do what everyone else does. Sheep work until they die. Wolves hunt. Wolves think ahead. Wolves lead the pack. Wolves do what the weak won't. You are a wolf. Say it. I choose to be unstoppable. The world wants you tired. They want you broke. They want you distracted. They want you mentally exhausted. Because a tired mind makes stupid financial decisions. A tired mind buys junk it doesn't need. A tired mind says, I'll invest later. Later is where dreams go to die. Right now is where wealth is created. Right now is your moment. The starting line is here. You don't need to be rich already, to know everything about finance, to wait until you're older, to have the perfect job, to impress anyone. You only need discipline, a plan. The hunger to win, that's enough to change your entire future.